Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you here's how to make the volume of your iPhone louder either for the notifications, text alerts, alarm, for music or for the headphones. So the first thing that you can do is you can press this volume button on the side to increase the volume, or else what you can do is you can swipe to open the control center. And then you can increase the volume. Now the other thing that you can do is you can tap on this settings. Go to sounds and haptics. And make sure to increase the ringer and alert to the maximum. If you want to increase the volume of ringers and alert, now there is an option here, headphone safety. Open it. And if you want to increase the volume of music when you are listening through headphones, then what you can do is disable this option, reduce loud sounds. So what happens is the volume of the headphone will be increased. Now if you want to increase the volume of the music that you are playing through the iPhone, then what you can do is you can go to settings here and we will go down to music. Then go to EC, and suppose the EC is off, what you can do is you can select this option, late night. So many users have experienced that using this late night EC will increase the volume of music when you are playing through iPhone. So do all of these things and hopefully the volume of the iPhone either for the ringers and alert or for headphones or for music will be increased. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel.